My name is Fantasia, but please call me Fancy with the T, not the C. Welcome back to my channel. I promise we're going to get going, but first, if you're new here, girl, go grab your detangling combs and brushes, get your leave-in conditioner, get your oil of choice, because it's time to do our hair. We are all styled and dry, and this is the pineapple that I put my hair in when I go to sleep. Reminds up, I don't sleep with the bonnet. I could, but I feel like it would just do more smashing on my hair than anything. So I'm going to let you guys see the process from the before the wash and go, the products that I use, and I'll let you guys see the end on how I styled it up and diffused it. And then when we come back, we're going to take down the pineapple and we're going to see, was this week's wash and go chef's kiss, or was it a hit and miss?
And here we go. So, first things first. Before I wash my hair, I obviously have to take down the old hairstyle. So this hairstyle, I've been doing it a lot, and it's because I have some damaged hair at the top, and it's protein damage, which it's shameful. But I keep using products with certain proteins in it. I'm guessing this is what the case is, and it just keeps causing me damage on my hair. Like my hair it just has a huge protein sensitivity ever since I started having babies, and so whatever. I'm just taking those braids down, so that's why those braids are even up. It's just to kind of conceal some of the damaged hair. And then once I get it out, my hair feels free. I want to scratch it, but I'm not. I'm just gonna massage my hair out because at this point it is very much matted. Okay, like everything sticks together. Oh, that was hurting. The mat when it gets matted at the scalp, that's the worst. It's just so uncomfortable. Like I couldn't even, if I wanted to scratch my scalp, I would have to get through a layer of matted hair to do it. And it doesn't matter. It's just gonna happen every week, no matter how much moisture I use. That's just the way my hair is. And so before I hop into the shower, I like to really avoid huge knots, huge tangles while I'm detangling in the shower. So I'm just going to kind of pull the hair apart, allowing, it to free up a little bit because it's matted, stuck together, and I don't want the water to hit it and I'm stuck with like a huge knot. I don't spend too much time doing this, just enough, just enough so that, like I said, when I hit the water, there's no huge knots. And so let's get into the products for 2024. Clarifying shampoo, okay? And then I do the Redken All Soft Mega Curls shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in. But before that, I do the Mix Chicks Deep Conditioner. Then I follow up with my bomb combo, Mix Chicks leave-in and the Redken leave-in. Then to style out of the shower, I use the Rizzo's Light Hold Gel and then Kinky Curly Custard. It's a classic. Follow it up with a little diffuser. Okay, so at this point, you guys, I've already put my leave-in in. I do it in the shower before I even get out, okay? I'm not doing that out of the shower. But out of the shower, I do put my gels on. So that's the Rizzo's Light Hold Gel. I love it, okay? If you want. I mean, for me, it works. Light hold, soft hold. Hair feels luscious, shiny. But it is a soft hold, you know what I'm saying? And it could use a little reinforcing. So I follow up with the Kinky Curly Custard. Like I said, it's a classic. And if you want a bomb curl cast, you're going to try that custard. It's been one of my favorites for years now. It's kind of expensive though. I don't know what y'all pockets look like, but the price of that Kinky Curly Custard, ooh, it surprises me at times. And I know it's not the most expensive product, but for a little tub of gel, I mean, it's a custard, but for a little tub of hair product, I think it's like 8 ounces. Anyways, I love it and I'm still gonna buy it anyway. I'm just saying, sheesh. If you be wearing these curly hair products, is not cheap. Curly hair, wavy hair, whatever you want to call it, kinky hair, it is high maintenance, okay? But the diffusing process is so monotonous. It's so boring. I probably will diffuse for nearly an hour and 45 minutes, but not straight through, okay? I do it in like increments. So right after I put my hair products on, I'm going to diffuse it for about 20 minutes. Then I'll walk off, come back another hour later, and then I'll diffuse it for probably 25 to 30 minutes. And then I'm going to walk off again, okay? And about another hour later, I'll come back and I'll do the last round of diffusing, and I'll make it good. So it could last anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes, okay? But I think altogether, actually, maybe it's more like 2 hours. I don't know. But I just need to make sure that my hair is completely dry before I go to bed. I'm out of that time in my life where I was okay going to bed with wet hair. I don't like it no more. But I used to do it a lot. But just keep going. I'm just going to flip my hair gently. Okay, I'm not like whipping my hair from side to side and back and forth. I'm being very gentle because until the curl cast is formed, I don't want to be doing a lot of shaking and moving because it's just going to cause frizz and friction, and my hair already hardly holds a curl. Like by Tuesday, it's just going to be straight. Not straight, but it's going to be like, it's definitely going to have fall. It's going to have fallen by about Tuesday, Wednesday. And I'll be bunning it up, but I don't care because the weekend will come and I'll redo my hair again. I was thinking about doing like a 3-strand twist, but look, by the time I did this voiceover, life done got to me and I am exhausted, okay? So, I be getting product everywhere, but yeah, I was too tired. Anyways, I thought this week's Wash and Go turned out amazing. I love these products. I love using them. I get such good results. And I couldn't be more satisfied with them. Definitely try that leave-in combo though if this is your thing, if you have similar hair. It's bomb.
Now that you've seen the process, let's do the reveal, because fingers crossed, toes crossed, eyes crossed. This is how I unpineapple the pineapple. Just gonna pull it down because it's all loose. It's just gonna fall out. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Flip it back. Okay? That's de-pineappling the pineapple. And then I'm just gonna fluff it out. And this is it. I should be ready to go. Let me see. Ooh, looks good. And it's looking good, y'all. It got definition. There's shine and movement and body. And it's soft. It's not crunchy. I mean, I never scrunched out the crunch, and I'm not going to. If I scrunch the crunch on day 1, even on day 2, my curl's not going to last that long. But to me, this is amazing. This looks good. I'm good to go, okay? Hope your style went great too. I hope by the end of this video, you are either motivated to do your own hair, start your own style for the week, or you were just, watching for tips and tricks. Definitely subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you will know when it's time to do our hair again, okay? This is just a weekly reminder, a little weekly motivation for you if you're struggling on your hair journey, you're just looking for some motivation, or maybe your hair is damaged. Whatever the case is, we're here to help each other. That's what I feel like.